In this video, I'm going to explain to all of you about how to make sliding side table. First of all, we have to make the rectangle. We can use this, or maybe we can use the rotated rectangle over there. So then we can make the length of this table itself, maybe around 800 millimeter. Approximately, it's around 800 or 900. Maybe we can set it with 900 millimeter, and the width is around 500 millimeter. Okay, just something like this. Okay, and then we have to push it up around 150 millimeter, and then we can just make it group anyway. So, and then we can just make it component, create, and then we can move to the upper position and duplicate it. We can move and duplicate with a 3 layer over there. So, and then we can make the railing slide on in this position anyway. We can make the railing slide. We can use this line. We can click this line, and then we can select move, press control, we can place on this position, and then we can select this line and select move and place on this position, as proportional as possible anyway. And then we can move it a little bit for back side around 10 millimeter. And also this is, we have to move it left side around 10 millimeter also, and then press enter. So then we have to push it down. Then we can push it down around 10 millimeter, and then we have to push it down around 10 millimeter also. So then we can make the another material color of this railway of the sliding tools on the top of the every single table of there. So we can just make the another color in here. So you can look at this. You can look at this. It has been railway position. Okay, and then we can select this line, and then we can select move and press control, and then we can place on this position. We can place on this position. So, and then we can click it, and then we can move and duplicate it in this position, and then we can push it down around 10 millimeter also, and push it down around 10 millimeter also. So, and then we can adjust the material. We can adjust the material itself with this position. Okay, and so you can see about it, and then we can move of every single shelf over there. We can move it, then you can move it again. Okay, you can move it until this position. So we have to slide it as the position as we want anyway. Maybe we can slide it to the left or the right and many more. So, and this is about the sliding mini table. And after that, we can also make the drawer of every single table in here. We can select this front panel over there. We can offset it inside. We can offset it inside. Okay, just something else. We can offset it inside around 20 millimeter, for example. Then we can push it until to the background 400, 480 millimeter, just something like this. Okay, so you can see it. Okay, and then we can make the inside of this drawer. We can draw a rectangle over there. So then we have to push it up until touch the bottom plane of the top table. Then we have to move it forward anyway. So then we have to offset it inside, maybe which is around 15 millimeter only. So then we can push it down around 100 millimeter only. Okay, just something like this, and then we can push it to the background 15 millimeter more, just a little bit, and then we can make the rectangle in here to make a pull handle, simple pull handle anyway, in bow simple pull handle. So and then we have to push it to the background 15 millimeter, and also we can just move this line anyway to the upper position. Okay, so it would be a handle, it will be a drawer handle over there, and it's done. And then we can make it component also, just create, then we can move it to the this position, and then we can place on this position, and then we can place on this position also, and we can move it forward for of every single drawer, so it would we look more dynamic. So then we can also adjust the material with the synthetic surfaces. We can use a formica laminated light for interior purpose of the material because it so representative enough for us to make the interior furniture. Okay, so we can adjust it and we can also adjust it. Okay, or maybe we can make the another color of this drawer. We can use a wood, so then we can just wood veneer, so we can get another sense of this drawer itself. Thanks for watching. I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you, and just wait for my next video in this channel. Thank you.